Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Danny from Reckless Fam, and today we're gonna take this beautiful Evo 8 we got over here, go get some work done. So,
guys,
introduce yourself.
let's restart that.
You spoke too soon. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Danny from Reckless Fam, and we got this beautiful Evo 8 over here. We're gonna go get some work done. So, we got the owner over here, Daniel. Tell him what you got done.
What's up, guys? For those who don't know me, my name is Daniel. I own this beautiful 2005 Evo 8. The car has a couple bolt-ons. I previously purchased it. So today we'll be taking it to Forced Induction Performance to get this Exedy twin disc clutch in it. Look how beautiful this clutch is. Too bad, we won't be able to see it, but I got some ARP bolts, OEM clutch bearing, ACT monologue collar, and we should be right on the money with that clutch. So,
all right, so let me hear it. Let me get a cold start real quick from you.
Can I get a cold start? Grab the keys.
Oh no! Go get them keys real quick. All right, we came back. We finally got the keys. Let me hear a cold start, bro.